Okay, I'm going to demonstrate Newton's first law of motion, which states an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force. So we're going to do the first part first. An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. So if you have the orange, it is currently at rest. Now the unbalanced force is going to be my hand, and I'm going to push it. So the object was at rest until I pushed it, which is the unbalanced force. Now we're going to demonstrate the second half of Newton's first law, which is an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force. So in this case, the unbalanced force will be the stack of papers. So if I apply force to the orange that is at rest, it will remain in motion. And then when it hits the unbalanced force, it stops. I'll do it again. Orange is currently at rest. Then I'm going to push it, which is the unbalanced force. And then after it rolls, it's going to hit the other unbalanced force, which will make it stop.